Let's prepare a delightful chicken biryani together. This recipe is wonderfully simple and straightforward. Begin with one chicken cut into pieces. I'll start by adding 2 tablespoons of garlic, followed by 2 tablespoons of ginger, then 3 tablespoons of dhania jeera, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Next, incorporate 1 teaspoon each of cardamom, black pepper and cloves along with 2 black cardamoms. Mix all these spices together thoroughly. To enhance the flavors, add 1 cup of dried apricots and 6 green chilies. Let's heat the pan and pour in 1 cup of oil, followed by 1 tablespoon of ghee for that enticing aroma. Slice and add 2 onions. Fry them until translucent, which should take around 8 minutes. This is how it should look. Now it's time to introduce the marinated meat into the pan to start the cooking process. Sear the meat for about 5 to 6 minutes until you notice it taking on a beautiful color due to the spices cooking. Oops, I almost forgot the cinnamon stick. Let's add it now. Add 1 cup yogurt. Continue cooking for another 10 minutes over medium heat. Add a cup of water. Bring it to a boil, cover with a lid and simmer for 45 minutes. Moving on to the rice. In a pot of boiling water, add 1 cinnamon stick, 5 cardamom pods, 1 black cardamom, 5 cloves, a few black peppercorns, and 2 teaspoons of jeera. Then add 3 cups of rice and boil until it's 40% cooked, which should take about 4 minutes. Now let's layer the rice and chicken masala. Add a layer of rice over the chicken masala. Followed by saffron milk. Fresh coriander. Mint. A bit of ghee. And some fried onions. Then add the second layer of rice, now 80% cooked. Repeating the addition of saffron, mint, coriander, ghee, and fried onions. Biryani is all about layers. For the final layer, add a touch of red color, not too much, some fried onions, and a teaspoon of rose water. Cook on the lowest heat for 45 minutes, ensuring it doesn't burn from the bottom. Let's quickly make a raita. Blend 1 bowl of yogurt, half a cucumber, 1 chopped red onion, 1 chopped carrot, 1 spring onion, a bunch of coriander, chilies, and 1 teaspoon of salt in a food processor. We want a slightly coarse mixture, not entirely smooth. Now back to the biryani. It has been cooking for 45 minutes on low heat and it looks perfect. The long rice grains are cooked individually and not sticking together. Time to serve. As you've seen, this recipe is incredibly easy and can serve a family of 6 to 8 people. Garnish with fresh coriander, fried onions, Thank you for watching. Drop a comment below to let us know where you're watching from. Have a fantastic day.